Everybody, Bobby here, and as you can see, I'm having a problem with my build. You can see up there, I'm having a DRAM LED light come on, and I've been getting frustrated with this build since I'm new. This is my first build ever, and I'm getting frustrated with it. But I thought it was a GPU. I readjusted that right there, the CPU, and I bent some of my pins by accident, and I replaced them, and the memo K was there, and I fixed that. But my build right now, I'm running a XFX R7870 OC Series GPU, overclocked edition, as you can see by the two fans down here. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. The motherboard is an ASUS M5A99FX Pro, and it's pretty good. But yeah, AMD 8320 Vishera Black Edition CPU, and the memory RAM is Cirsair Vengeance 1866 MHz, 2 sticks of 4 GB. And I don't think those are compatible with this build, but yeah, for some reason it does not work. DRAM light is on and all that. Everything spins. Everything is spinning right now. LEDs come on. All fans work. Also, right there, that's an ASUS VX228 LCD monitor. But yeah, all my boxes stacked over there in the closet. But yeah, I just can't get it to work. I'm getting no display at all. I tried the CMOS down there. I tried the BIOS flashback. I have no memo K button in there at all either. I don't know where that's at. I tried taking out the motherboard battery, which is under the GPU right now. I can't get to that. But yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this. I don't know if I'm gonna get somebody, or if you guys can help me out, that would be very much appreciated. I have no computer right now, so I don't know how I'm gonna reply to you. I have to do it on my phone, which I'm recording with right now, but we'll see what happens. If you guys can reply back, very much appreciated. This is Bobby, and I'll see you guys later.